Good morning, students. Now, in this video, we will do the application on transpose of matrix. So, let us see first question. If given matrix A is equals to minus 1, 2, 3, that is 3 cross 1 order given matrix, and matrix B is equals to minus 2, minus 1, minus 4. Then verify that AB whole transpose is equals to B transpose into A transpose. This was the property number 4 in the property of transpose of matrix, that is two matrix multiplication whole transpose is equals to the B transpose into A transpose, and this property is also known as reverse law. So on the basis of reverse law, this application, so how we will find? First, given matrix A is of order 3 cross 1, means 3 row 1 column, and second matrix B is 1 cross 3. And when we discuss this property, then the first thing was AB whole transpose will be equals to B transpose into A transpose if AB is possible. Now, what is the meaning of AB possibility? AB possibility means if the matrix multiplication of A is possible with the multiplication of matrix B. So, AB is possible or not, how we will find? For that, first of all, we will see CR rule, that is number of column in first matrix, that is 1 column, equals to number of row in second matrix, that is 1 row. So 1 column, 1 row. So CR rule is satisfied. Then how we will multiply it? We will multiply RC, that is row will be multiplied with the column. So AB will be equals to कैसे निकालेंगे AB? A का B के साथ मल्टीप्लीकेशन, सो रो को कॉलम से मल्टीप्लाई करना. फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम दैट इज माइनस 1 इंटू माइनस 2, दैट इज प्लस 2. सो इट इज फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम. देन if in first column some more elements are there, then here should be some more element in row also. So in row and column, that is only one element. Then first row, second column, so minus 1 into minus 1, that is plus 1. Then first row into third column, that is minus 1 into minus 4, that is plus 4. Then second row, first column, so 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4. Then 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2. Then 2 into minus 4, that is minus 4. Then third row, first column, so 3 into minus 2, minus 6. Then 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3. Then 3 into minus 4, that is minus 12. So this is the AB. Now AB whole transpose will be, first row will be written as first column, so 2, 1, 4. Then second row, second column, so minus 4, minus 2, minus 4. Then minus 6, minus 3 and minus 12. This is AB whole transpose. So this is the left hand side. Now how we will find right hand side? First right hand side ke liye we will find transpose of the given matrix. So here BT equals to BT. B is given in row form, so we will write in column form. So column is minus 2, minus 1, minus 4. This is BT. And what is AT? A transpose will be, A is given in column form, so we will write in row form. So minus 1, 2 and 3. Now BT into AT. Now BT into AT, that is B transpose into A transpose. That is simply we have to multiply this matrix with this matrix. So it will be equals to minus 2 into minus 1, that is plus 2, minus 2 into 2, minus 4, minus 2 into 3, minus 6. Then minus 1 into minus 1, that is plus 1, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, minus 1 into 3, minus 3. Then minus 4 into minus 1, plus 4, minus 4 into 2, minus 8, minus 4 into 3, that is minus 12. So this is BT 80. Now compare first row, 2 minus 4 minus 6, 1 minus 2 minus 3, 4 minus 4 minus 12. So here something was wrong. What is the wrong? Minus 2 minus 1 minus 4, 1 2 minus 1 2 3. So BT 80. In the first matrix here something is wrong. Again check. So AB multiplication, cross check, minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2, minus 1 into 1 plus 1, minus 1 into, that is plus 4. Then 2 into minus 2 minus 4, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 2 into minus 2 into minus 4. It was minus 8. So it will be minus 8. Okay. So in this way, somewhere in multiplication we should be very careful. Now AB whole transpose is equals to B transpose into A transpose. So this was the application on the transpose of matrix, and which rule? Reverse law we proved here by analytical method. Now some more questions. Second question is this: if a given matrix, application 2, if the matrix A is equals to cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta. This is 2 cross 2 matrix, 2 cross 2. Then find the value of theta if satisfying the equation A transpose plus A is equals to identity matrix of order 2. What we have to do? We have to find the value of theta. See the question. Given matrix A is equals to cos theta minus sin theta cos theta of order 2 cross 2. Then what we have to do? We have to find the value of theta if AT plus A is equals to identity of matrix 2. Then how we will solve? Very simple. First, we will find the transpose of given matrix. Then we will add the transpose of given matrix with the given matrix A. Then we will equate with the identity matrix of order 2 and then find the value of theta. So first here A is given. So how we will find? First of all, we will find transpose of A. How we will find the transpose? Write first row into first column. So cos theta minus sin theta and cos theta. This is the transpose of given matrix. Now left hand side AT plus A. That is, we have to find the sum of AT plus A. So cos theta plus cos theta, 2 cos theta, and minus sin theta plus sin theta, that is 0, and then sin theta minus sin theta, again 0, and cos theta plus cos theta, that is 2 cos theta. This is AT plus A. Now I2 is equals to identity matrix of order 1 cross 0, 0 cross 1. That is 2 by 2 identity matrix. So identity I2 we will write in this way. Now as per गिवन कंडीशन, क्या कंडीशन दे रखी है अपने को कि ट्रांसपोज ऑफ द गिवन मैट्रिक्स प्लस ए इज इक्वल टू आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स ऑफ ऑर्डर 2. Here see what is AT plus A. AT plus A is this. So write matrix AT plus A, that is 2 cos theta 0 0 2 cos theta equals to identity matrix of order 2, that is 1 0 0 1. If this matrix equals to this, then by the equality of matrices, corresponding element will be equal. So first 2 cos theta will be equals to 1, that is cos theta barabar 1 by 2. Now what is the value when cos theta is equals to 1 by 2? If cos theta is equals to 1 by 2, then theta will be equals to pi by 3. So theta will be equals to pi by 3. This is, that is 60 degree. And in general also we can write the value. How? We can write in this way, cos theta is equals to cos pi by 3. So if cos theta is equals to cos alpha, then theta is equals to 2n pi plus minus alpha. This is the general solution. So in this case, theta will be equals to 2n pi plus minus pi by 3. This will be the general solution. So this was the second application. One more question. If, question number 3, if the given matrix A is equals to 1 2 2, 2 1 minus 2, A to B be the given matrix, and if it satisfy A into AT is equals to 9I3, then find the value of, A and B. This is the very important question. What we have to do, one matrix A is given, and in this given matrix, this element, that is A31 and A33, is unknown. And what is given? Given condition is, if the given matrix and its transpose multiplication is possible, then A into AT is equals to 9I3. I3 means identity matrix of order 3. So first we will find left hand side AAT, then 9I3, and then we will compare the corresponding element of both sides by the equality of two matrices. So first, given matrix A, how we will solve? A is 1 2 2, 2 1 minus 2, A 2 and B. Then A transpose implies that A transpose will be equals to, क्या करते हैं ट्रांसपोज में, या तो सारी रोज को कॉलम में लिखेंगे या सारे कॉलम्स को रोज में. सो फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम 1 2 2, then 2 1 minus 2, then A 2 and B. This is AT. Now A into AT, order of matrix A is 3 cross 3 and B, AT is also 3 cross 3. So number of column in first matrix equals to number of rows in second matrix. So A into AT is possible. So A into AT. Now multiply first row with the first column. So 1 into 1, that is 1, plus 2 into 2, 4, plus 2 into 2, that is 4. Then 1 into 2, that is 2, 2 into 1, that is 2, 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4. Then 1 into A, that is A, 2 into 2, that is plus 4, and plus 2b. This is the first row of the required resulted matrix, because first row will be multiplied with first column, then second column, and then third column. Now we will take second row. So here see, जिन बच्चों को मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन अभी भी नहीं समझ में आया, they have to requested please pay special attention. Again see, now क्या करना है, सेकंड रो को इस मैट्रिक्स से मल्टीप्लाई करना. कैसे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, सेकंड रो को पहले फर्स्ट कॉलम से, देन सेकंड रो को देन सेकंड कॉलम से, देन सेकंड रो को थर्ड कॉलम से. और मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हुए बहुत ध्यान रखें, मल्टीप्लिकेशन आपका रॉन्ग नहीं होना चाहिए, अदरवाइज होल रिजल्ट विल बी रॉन्ग. So 2 into 1 that is 2, 1 into 2 plus 2 minus 2 into 2 that is minus 4, then 2 into 2 4, 1 into 1 that is 1, minus 2 into minus 2 that is plus 4, then 2 into a 2a plus 2, then minus 2 into b that is minus 2b, then third row with first column, so a into 1 a plus 2 into 4, 2 into 2 that is 4, and b into 2 that is 2b. Again see, a into 2, 2a, then 2 into 1 that is 2, and b into minus 2 that is minus 2b. Again see, third row, third column, a into a that will be a square, 2 into 2 that is 4, and b into b that is b square. So this is a into at. Now a into at will be equals to, finally solve, first element 9, then 0, then a plus 2b plus 4, then 0, then 9, then 2a minus 2b plus 2, then a plus 2b plus 4, then 2a minus 2b plus 2, and then a square plus b square plus 4. This is the resulted matrix. And now what is I3? I3 is, that is identity matrix of order 3. So 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now what is the left hand side? 9 I3, that is scalar multiplication of 9 with I3. So the principal diagonal element will be 0 9 0 0 0 9 0 and 0 0 9. So this is 9 I3. Now what we have to do? Now we have to use the given condition. What is the given condition? Given condition is AT is equals to 9 I3. So we will compare both sides and then we will find the value. So A into AT is 90, A plus 2B plus 4, then 0 9, 2A minus 2B plus 2, and A plus 2B plus 4, 2A minus 2B plus 2, and A square plus B square plus 4 is equals to 9 0 0 0 9 0 and 0 0 9. Now we will compare on both sides. So on comparing by the equality of matrices. So in this question, I think maximum properties of matrix are involved. Which one? Multiplication properties, then equality of matrices, then scalar multiplication, transpose, and multiplication of given matrix with the transpose. So this is the multiple properties involving question. Now compare the given element C. A 1 3, first row third column. So A plus 2B plus 4 is equals to 0, one relation. Second is 2a minus 2b plus 2 barabar 0, that is second relation. And then third, a square plus b square plus 4 is equals to 9. This is the third relation. Using these three relations, we can solve it for the required values of a and b. So this was the very important questions. Now one more problem we will do. The next one is find the values of x, y, z. Question number 4. Find the values of x, y, z if the matrix A is equals to 0 to y, z, x, y minus z, x minus y, z satisfy the relation A transpose into A equals to I3. So this is the next question what we have to do. Question, read the question carefully. Find the values of x, y, z if the given matrix A is equals to 0 to y, z, x, y minus z, x minus y, z satisfy the given condition, that is A transpose into A equals to I3. What we have to do? First we will find the transpose of the given matrix, and then we will find AT into A, and then we will put equals to I3. By comparing on both sides, we will find the values of x, y, z. So first of all, how we will solve? First write the given matrix. We have given, क्या दे रखा हमें? We have given matrix A is equals to 0 to y, z, x, y minus z, x minus y plus z. This is the given matrix. Now what is transpose of this? So we will write first A transpose. A transpose will be, for the calculation point of view I am writing here, you have to write at this place. So here AT is 0 to y, z, then x, y minus z, then x minus y, z. This is the AT and this is A. Now what we have to do? We have to find AT into A, that is A transpose into A. So first what you have to do? Write the given matrix, then find the transpose, and in third step you have to write AT into A. That is, we have to multiply AT with A. So how we will multiply? First row will be multiply with first column, then second column, and then third column. So very carefully, 0 into 0, 0, plus x into x, x square, plus x into x, that is x square. Then 0 into 2y, that is 0, x into y, that is plus xy, then x is equals to minus y, that is minus xy. Then first row third column, 0 into z, 0, x into minus z, that is minus xz, then x into plus z, that is x plus z. This is the first row in the resulted matrix AT into A. Now take second row, multiply first column, second column, then third column. So first row first column will be second row first element, then second row second column, that will be the second element of second row, then second row third column, that will be the third element of second row. So 2y into 0, 0, y into x, that is xy, minus minus y into x, that is minus xy. Now 2y into 2y, that is 4y, y into y, that is y square, minus y into y, that is plus y square. Then 2y into z, 2yz, then y into z, that is minus yz, that is minus y into z, that is minus yz. So this is the second row in resultant matrix. Then third row with first column, z into 0, 0, minus z into x, minus xz, plus xz, then z into 2y, that is 2yz, minus zy, and this is also minus zy. Then third row, third column, z into z, that is z square, minus z into minus z, that is plus z square, and then z into z, that is also z square. So finally this matrix A into AT will be equals to, here x plus x square, that is 2x square, here plus xy minus xy will be cancelled, so this is the 0, here minus xz plus xz cancel, so this is also 0, then plus xy minus xy also cancel out, so this is 0, here 4y plus 4y plus 2y square, 2y square, here 2yz minus yz will be cancel out, then this will be also cancel out 0, then minus 2yz and yz, this will be also cancel out, so 0, and here 3z square. This is the AT into A. Now what we have to do, it will be put equals to I3. So now using given condition, now AT into A, that is AT was 2x square 0 0 0 4y plus 2y square 0 0 0 3z square equals to identity matrix of order 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is identity matrix of order 3. So comparing the given matrices, we will find the values of x, y and z. So on comparing both sides by the equality of matrices, so 2x square equals to 1, so x square will be equals to 1 by 2, so x will be equals to plus minus 1 by root 2. Similarly, 4y plus 2y square is equals to 1, so 2y square plus of 4y minus 1 is equals to 0. This is the quadratic equation. So here if the roots are alpha beta, then alpha beta will be minus b, that is minus 4 plus minus b square. B square means 4 square 16 minus 4 AC, 4 into 2 8 into 1, so that is 16 minus 8 upon 2a, that is 2 into 2 4, so 2 into 2 4. In this way we can find the two values of y, and then third 3z square is equals to 1, so z square is equals to 1 by 3, so z will be plus minus 1 upon root 3. In this way we can find the values of x, y, z by comparing the two matrices by the equality of matrices. So this was about the transpose of matrix, its properties and application of the transpose of matrices.